Let's create this using CapCut. Import your video to CapCut. Let's add any intro effect first. Go to Video Effects and search Color Shadow. Apply the effect and adjust according to your video. Extend length to whole video. Click Video Effects again. Now search Dreamy Glow Effect. Adjust according to your video. Play around with values until you seem satisfied from outcome. Apply over whole video. And that's all. Your video is ready now. Here is final results.